Do your emotions sometimes get the best of you? Imagine staying calm, focused, and in control no matter what life throws at you. Stick around because in this video, I'll share 7 Stoic secrets to master your emotions and take charge of your life. Welcome to channel name. Emotions can feel overwhelming, but what if I told you there's a way to remain steady even in the face of chaos? Today, we're diving into the timeless wisdom of Stoicism to uncover 7 practical lessons that can help you control your emotions and live with unshakable calm. Let's get started. Lesson 1. Pause before reacting. One of the most powerful Stoic teachings is to pause before reacting. Epictetus, a famous Stoic philosopher, said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Practical tip. The next time you feel anger or frustration bubbling up, take a deep breath and count to 5 before responding. This small pause can save relationships and prevent regret. Lesson 2. Focus on what's within your control. When you feel out of control, ask yourself, what's within my power right now? Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength." Practical tip. Write a list of what you can control versus what you can't in any stressful situation. Focus only on the first list. Lesson 3. Don't let emotions drive your decisions. Stoics taught us that emotions can cloud judgment. Seneca advised, "No man is free who is not master of himself." Practical tip. When you're upset, delay making decisions. Give yourself time to think with a clear mind. Lesson 4. Reframe negative thoughts. How you interpret events affects how you feel about them. The Stoics encouraged reframing challenges as opportunities. Practical tip. Instead of saying, "Why is this happening to me?" ask, "What can I learn from this?" This mental shift can change your emotional response. Lesson 5. Practice voluntary discomfort. The Stoics believed that exposing yourself to discomfort builds resilience. By doing so, you'll be less affected by sudden hardships. Practical tip. Try simple exercises like skipping a luxury you enjoy for a day. It helps you realize you're stronger than you think. Lesson 6. Accept what you cannot change. One of the greatest emotional burdens is resisting reality. Stoicism teaches us to accept what is out of our control. Practical tip. When faced with an unchangeable situation, remind yourself, it is what it is. Focus instead on how you'll respond. Lesson 7. Reflect daily on your emotions. Stoics practiced daily reflection to understand and manage their emotions. Marcus Aurelius often wrote in his journal to review his actions and thoughts. Practical tip. At the end of each day, ask yourself, what triggered my emotions today? How could I have handled it better? This habit builds emotional intelligence over time. Mastering your emotions isn't about suppressing them. It's about understanding and guiding them. These 7 Stoic lessons provide a roadmap to emotional control and mental peace. Start practicing them today, and you'll notice the difference in how you handle life's challenges. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. Subscribe for more content and share your favorite Stoic lesson in the comments below. Let's build a resilient and emotionally strong community together.